In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste from Claude AI without formatting issues. If you've ever copied something from an AI chat and it looked messy in your document, this walkthrough will help you get clean results fast. We'll go from opening Claude to pasting in Microsoft Word so your text looks exactly the way you expect. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type Claude AI and press Enter. From the results page, click the official Claude website so you're taken straight into the app. Once you're in, navigate to the specific conversation that contains the content you want. You can use the search bar or your recent chats list to find it quickly, then open the conversation so the message is fully visible. Next, highlight the exact text you want to bring over to Word. Click at the start of the section, drag to the end, and make sure you include everything you need, like headings, bullet points, or code blocks. Try not to capture any interface elements around the text. Once you're happy with the selection, copy it to your clipboard. On Windows, that's Ctrl+C. On Mac, Command+C. Now switch to Microsoft Word and open the document where you want the content to live. Place your cursor exactly where the text should go. Right-click to bring up the Paste menu. You'll see Paste options. Choose Keep Source Formatting. This tells Word to preserve Claude's layout, such as bold text, lists, and spacing, so it looks consistent with what you saw in the chat. After pasting, scan the result for spacing, fonts, and list alignment. If anything looks off, undo the paste and try again to make sure your selection didn't include extra spacing at the edges. If your goal is a cleaner, text-only look that matches your existing document style, you can instead use the option that removes styling so it blends into your current formatting. But for most cases where you want Claude's formatting preserved, Keep Source Formatting is the reliable choice. Finally, save your document so your pasted content is locked in. From here, you can edit, reorganize, or apply styles as needed without fighting inconsistent formatting. That's it. Open Google, go to Claude, find your conversation, highlight and copy, then paste into Word using Keep Source Formatting for clean, predictable results every time.